How you guys doing? It's Antonio again here from Seymour Creations, and I just wanted to come on and do a brief video to talk to you guys a little bit about a lot of questions that I've been getting lately, and I figured I would just do a video about it to try to help you guys, navigate through our website and stuff like that to get your orders in and to get things done in a more efficient manner. All right, I got my little card right here, so excuse me if I look down and read this for a second. So one of the questions I get a lot is, what is the best oil? If you're just starting out, what's the best oils to buy? And I have addressed this in some of my other videos, but I'm going to address it again here. When we designed our list, the way we designed our list was that we only put fragrances on our list that are top sellers. Okay, so that way you guys will have the best opportunity to sell. You know what I mean? So no matter what fragrances you pick, everything on our list is a top seller. And one thing you have to understand is that when you're just starting out, you're testing the waters. You don't really know what's going to work. So you just select some fragrances that you think is the best. So you can tell us, you can ask us. A lot of people just ask us to select, what we feel is good, depending on the demographics and depending on the people that they're going to be selling to, the environment that you guys live in. All those things, play a factor in what people like in the area that you are in. And that's going to take some time for you to be able to feel, kind of test the waters and feel out what it is that people want. So don't really concern yourself too much with, what's the best fragrances to buy. Just look at the list and select fragrances that you think that people would like. Or you can even talk to your friends and family and say, hey, what kind of fragrances do you guys like? Do you guys like sweet smelling fragrances? Do you like florals? Or what type of fragrances are you guys really interested in? Just do a little bit of market research will help you. You never go a long way. Just ask your friends and family, if you're not sure, what kind of fragrances they like or stuff like that to give you an idea of what you want. All right. So second question I get a lot is, what do I recommend as far as like the women to men ratio? And that can be, a lot of these questions are just, a lot of the answers that I'm giving you are just recommendation, and it's recommendation based on my experience, and I'm trying to give you guys a foundation, in what you can start with, but it's not, everything else is not concrete. Of course, it's going to change. It varies. There's a lot of variables involved in your ratios. One thing that you need to think about is first of all, like I said, where are you selling your fragrances and who are you going to be selling your fragrances to? In my experience, women tend to buy more fragrances than men. However, men tend to be more decisive about what they want. So if they want the fragrance, they'll buy it. Whereas a woman, if she smells it, and typically she's going to be being led by her senses, she likes it, and she's going to buy it. So, it kind of it's kind of half and half. So that's what I always recommend. If I would say go with, like say you get 25 fragrances, I would say go with 12 men and 13 women. Always have more women than you have men. Or if you can go half and half, go half and half. Just to start. And then once you get a feel for your area, then you will know what you need to buy. All right. And the third question I get is, how do I order? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, excuse me guys, that's my phone I'm getting notifications on my phone right in the middle of my video, right? It all happens at the least opportune time. So pardon me, I'm not even going to bother editing that out, all right? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to my computer. We're going to jump on over to the computer, and I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to take you guys through our website to give you, an idea of how you will go ahead and purchase those, how you go about purchasing those orders. All right, but before we do that, I want to give you guys a quick announcement. I'm really excited about this, and I hope that you guys can get excited about it as well. At the end of November, we're going to be offering our soaps again. You know what I mean? So that's going to really, really, really put you guys in a better position when it comes to selling. We're going to be selling soaps for personal use and also for business use. So we're going to be creating business packs and everything like that with the soap, so that you guys, if you want to go ahead and expand your business or you want to have more opportunities, to expand, and that's going to really help you guys. All of our soap is handmade All of our soap is 100% organic. We don't use anything in our soap that's not organic. We don't use any sodium lauryl sulfate or SLS. We don't use any of those chemicals, any products in our soap that's harmful for your skin. Everything that we do for people who have sensitive skin, or from a perspective of a person that has sensitive skin, because I myself and my entire family suffer from sensitive skin. So we don't put any harsh chemicals in our products. All right, so it's going to be a completely organic soap. We're going to do different varieties of soap, because different additives have different benefits and so on and so forth for the skin and the hair and everything else. All right, so you guys be on the lookout for that. So at the end of November, we're going to be launching that. All right, and we'll go on from there. So let's go ahead and get into this computer, and I'm going to show you guys how to go to the website and how to contact us and so on and so forth to put your order in. All right, y'all have a good one. Hey, you know what, too? One more thing, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you guys subscribing. I appreciate all of the feedback that we've been getting. We appreciate all the support that we've been getting on this channel. Excuse my kids in the background. We appreciate all of you guys' love and support, man. And I don't know. It's one of those things, when you start the channel and you're like, wow, I don't know if anybody's going to be interested in what we're trying to do. But you guys have been so supportive, and I really appreciate that. All right, so I just want to give you guys a big thank you. And much love to all of you guys, and much success. And as always, all of my information is going to be in the description box below, so you guys can contact me. And I'm always trying to do the best that I can to make sure that I give you guys the information that you need. All right, so let's jump onto the computer, and I'm going to show you guys what to do. All right, let's go.